Those are some good-looking apartments. I might buy them someday. Wait, we actually need to pay to drive? Oh my gosh, what is happening to this world? Yeah, I'm pretty hungry already. I'm always hungry. Wow, it feels like I'm actually walking along the interstate. Tim Hortons? We must be in Canada. There's the restaurant of chess. Nom. 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 Wegmans.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Mother truckers. Weird nature bridge thingy. Wait, we need to pay more to drive more? Ah! Corporatizing New York. Loge. Wow, this highway serves the airport and Europe. Wegmans. Wegmans, 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 Wegmans. Oh boy, we're at the airport. Why do we need to walk? Come at me, cars. Come on, hit me. Ironically, I'm flying to the southeast. Why there's so many people? What are those hieroglyphics? Oh my gosh, do I get an Xbox? Please wait, I have no patience at all.
No liquids in the bags, right?
Yes.
You do have liquids?
No, I don't have liquids.
Vroom. That's the same camera I have, hee hee. This airport is so small it doesn't even have a Starbucks. I bet water here costs almost as much as my iPhone. Oh, hell no. Okay, quick rant everyone. I hate iHeart New York. It is a corporation that's trying to corporatize New York, and I wanted to die. I mean, it's like trying to make money off of tourists. I mean, it's like Walmart in a way, so, yeah. I hate iHeart and why. End of rant. Wait a second, I'm in the C section. I hate waiting. I wonder how hard they're throwing my luggage. Good thing I only have carry-ons. They're still on the B section. Ah! Finally. Now why don't you people move? Well, that was much quicker than uploading a 30-minute video to YouTube on McDonald's Wi-Fi.
Is your car located in the seat back pocket in front of you?
Who even reads that?
In the event of a water evacuation, use the life.
In the event of a water landing, we're gonna die because if we do have one, we're gonna land in a tiny lake.
Over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and buckle in the front. Once outside the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab.
Wait, does anyone even listen to this lady? Oh well. Finally, we get to take off. Okay, how many laps around the runway do we need? Finally, we're airborne. So what do I see? I can see a crappy strip mall. I see an interstate. I see a few houses. I'm never getting my driver's license because that intersection looks way too complicated. Haha, that car is getting towed. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Well, we got some typical airplane snacks. Luckily, we got some Wegmans food here. Hey, it looks like someone street passed me. Wait, am I even allowed to use Street Pass on a plane? Oh well. Okay, this is literally the first time in years I've actually met someone through Street Pass. Yeah, America! Wait, that's what I'm supposed to say, right? Wait, what have you been playing recently? Nintendo 3DS camera? What? Nice greeting! Best one I've seen so far. Oh boy, I'm playing Pokemon Sun right now. So my Papillo literally evolved while I was like thousands of feet in the air. That's interesting. Are we there yet? Wait a second, what are those things on the window? Wait, is the window cracking? Oh gosh, help me. Hey, I can see the southwest.com URL just fine from here. Oh, I guess we're almost there. But I don't want to get up, I'm in such a comfortable position. Hello, Florida, home of all the old people and lots of rednecks. That lake doesn't seem too tasty. I wonder how many diseases are on this plane. Wait, will I get Zika today? I'm squishing people. Illuminati confirmed! Ah, Florida. Home of all the smoking hot Bikini Bay. I mean, my grandparents. I can't wait to see my grandparents. Also seems like we will be landing soon, yay! Dang, this is really flat. Wait, so that's the ocean? Dang, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It looks like we're flying over a suburb. I wonder if there are any suburban malls nearby. Ah, the Tampa skyline, home to many famous buildings, including the World Trade Center, the Empire State Building, the Wills Tower, the Burj Khalifa, and many more. Tampa is also home to many Florida attractions such as Walt Disney World, Miami Beach, the Everglades, and many more. I think I'm starting to get really good at knowing what's in all the cities. Wait a second, isn't it winter? Wait, why do all the trees have leaves here? Oh my gosh, is climate change actually happening? Dang it, I shouldn't have listened when all the politicians said it was fake. Wait, why are we about to land on a field? Oh lord, are we about to crash? Oh gosh, please not today. Oh wait. No, you were supposed to merge on the interstate, dang it. Ah! Oh wait, there's the runway. Okay. Yo, pilot, what the hell's the speed limit around here? I mean, you're certainly going at least a few 100 miles over it. Oh my gosh, are we going by the Empire State Building? Hey everyone, get out your cameras, we're going on the Empire State Building, it's on our left, oh my gosh. Thank you everyone, oh my gosh, yes, thank you for subscribing to WillDog55, oh my gosh, you guys are the best plane passengers I've ever flown with, thank you guys so much.
On behalf of Southwest Airlines and the flight crew, would like to be the first to welcome this around you, please remain seated, keep the seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft...
Yo, lady, you ain't my mother. You can't tell me what to do.
Use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items as articles to the ship during flight. If you're making a connection here, please check the TV monitors inside the terminal for updated flight and gate information. We realize you have a choice when you travel. We'd like to thank you for choosing Southwest. We hope you come back and see us real soon. Go out and have a great week.
Yo, flight attendant, can you go get me another soda? I don't want to have to go to Hudson News and buy a $400 bottle of soda. Oh, stupid fingers!
Folks, we do need all customers seated. If you are traveling with small children, please ensure they are seated.
What? I'm never flying to this airport again.
Once again, if you're seated next to a window, kindly lower those window shades. Reach up and open those.
Bye.
The first thing I see, I don't know where to go.
Some luxury dining for everyone flying first class in Emirates. Oh crap, I left my $3,000 watch at home and I better get one before I fly first class on Emirates. Well, it doesn't feel like a suburban mall anymore.
Oh my gosh, this thing's fast.
I wonder if anything that guy's saying is important.
I don't even...
The door won't crush me, the door won't crush me, the door won't crush me. Oh yes, thank goodness. I don't know how to read. Just kidding, I knew how to read since I was like 10. Here we go down the escalator. Well, I better wait for my Uber, aka my grandparents. Is it just me, or do they have the same voice actor for every voice in this building? Now I feel like blasting typical white girl pop tunes while sipping my Frappuccino from Starbucks. Well, at least in Florida, we don't need to pay to drive. Fuck. The temperature in here is 69 degrees. Haha, y'all need to sit in traffic, lol. Wait, it's still going?
There's Walmart.
That food store looks really safe and convincing.